Happy 2020. So I have been off YouTube for a while, so I apologize. I'm just now getting caught up on some comments from like months and months ago. Excuse the giggles. There was a really funny exchange on one of my videos that I'm not gonna comment. Anyways, so I am here with an unboxing, and I just want to qualify it by saying the box is already opened. I did not unbox my items. But I just want to say it's open because my husband also ordered stuff and was like, I'm not going to let you hold my things hostage until you have time to do an unboxing, which frankly I thought was a little rude. But anyway, so he opened it, he took his stuff out, and I was all crazy. I was like, oh my God, did you look at my stuff? He goes, no, I didn't. I left it all in there intact. So anyway, so this is, for me, it's a genuine unboxing, but yes, it has been untaped. It is from Filson. I have here with me my Filson weatherproof satchel that I got, I don't know, I think they're mid-sale last year, like July-ish. It didn't really make its way into the rotation until about 2-3 months ago, and then it's been like pretty steady in the rotation for a weekend. Does not fit a laptop, so it can't be a work carry. But I love it. I took it on Thanksgiving and Christmas. You saw that if you follow me on Instagram. It's called a weatherproof as opposed to waterproof. So to me, you know, just an extra level of protection for your belongings. And I will say I did take it out a couple times in the rain, and it held up like a champ. Like, I'll do a video review on this later, but just wanted to let you know it's my first Filson. I liked it enough that I rolled the dice on a second Filson. And then for those of you Seattle people, because Filson's a Seattle company, I was up there last year for work and stopped at this little coffee shop. Put it in the comments if you know what it is, because I, for the life of me, cannot remember, but I really liked it. Anyway, so let's get into it. This is a bag that I had my eye on for 2 years. Literally, like, I'm going to turn this so you can see. And I really hope, put this over there, just so you can see how it looks when it comes. So the box is really nice. I know a lot of people like freak out when people send things in FedEx and it gets crushed. So they don't send it in like some FedEx box. But I know a lot of makers do, and on Etsy and stuff. And so it maybe doesn't always come like the way that you hope that it comes. But one thing I really like about Filson is they give you this super heavy duty dust bag. I don't think it's like wax canvas or anything. It's not like waterproof, but it's really pretty sturdy. And I lost my other one because my husband uses it for things. But this bag I've had my eye on for 2 years, and it went on a super sale during the winter sale. And I think it's actually still on sale if you want it. But it did not go on sale during the summer sale. Otherwise, I would have gotten that and this. And I finally was like, you know what, I'm just going to do it. Like, I've had my eye on it forever, and I would be crushed if it went out of stock. So I pulled the trigger. This one is also, excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold. This one is also weatherproof. But I'm going to say it's like weatherproof with an asterisk. Oh, it's so cute. Because it's an open top, right? So, yeah, I mean, water's getting in there, but the material itself, I suppose, is what is weatherproof. It's really cute. So it's a Suede Hobo satchel. I liked it for a ton of reasons. This is the dark tobacco color. You know, it's interesting because I think this used to come in brown, but if you were to ask me, I'd tell you that this is brown. I don't mind. I actually like it. I was kind of hoping to get in the brown, not the dark tobacco, but because I don't have a lot of brown, but I do have a lot of kind of like grayish in that family. So I actually really like it. It's a really cute size, super cute. I was worried that it would be too big, but I don't think it is at all. It's not your traditional hobo, because hobo to me means sort of like this, somewhat of a crescent shape, and this one has a little bit of that crescent shape, right? It's not bigger at the top, so it's kind of got that shape to it, but usually a traditional hobo has an integrated short handle, and this one I liked because it, yes, has a short handle, but it's not integrated, and I actually thought it was way more stylish. And then it has, is it removable? Yes, and then it has a removable long handle. Sorry, it's like the first time I'm seeing it since I saw it in the store 1,000 years ago. This bag retails for $650, and I think right now it's on sale for $400, if I'm not mistaken. I'm really, really impressed with it. So it's suede on the front, suede on the back, but I like it because suede gets sort of matted and worn more quickly than actual like the leather side. So I like that they put a giant pocket on the side that's going to be touching you, so it won't get quite as worn. And then also the pocket itself is really, really nice. It's a generously sized pocket. And we have a nipple rivet closure here. Let me just take a peek. So there's a single, oh, it's a heavy duty leather back pocket. I was checking to see if it was leather or if it was like cotton or something, but it's not. Zippered pocket. It's modest size, like a phone keys kind of pocket, and I'll do a full review on it so you can see everything. But my first impressions are that the bridle leather here is extraordinarily thick, and I had read that on some of the reviews, so I was curious to see it for myself. I think that is true. Not sure if you can see that. I like the hardware. It's brass. Love the super short stylish strap. I think I'll carry it like that a lot. Overall, I'm pretty impressed. And the bottom, I like that the bottom is not suede, because that's the part that's probably going to get, second to this, it's probably the part that's going to get the most wear and tear. So I like that that's leather. That's a pretty nice bag. And I got to say, for the price point, that's pretty outstanding. Let me do this. I'm 5'2", so imagine if you're not 5'2", how that might look. But I really, really like it. I think it's super cute. I don't have a lot of bags that go work to weekend or vice versa. I think I maybe have one where it's laptop worthy, but not so big that I wouldn't wear it on the weekends, excuse me. But this one might be my new, I don't know, I affectionately call those like crossover bags that go from like work to weekend seamlessly. You can't really see it. I probably have to stand way back. I apologize for my super dead lawn, but it's like winter. It's like everything dies. Winter in asterisk, because people in Seattle are like, that's not winter. But anyways, so here it is, super cute, like it, like the inside. I don't know why this came off. I don't know where this is from. I think it was just like, it must just be dangling from here, because they had that on this too. So I'll put that back on. I actually kind of like that detail. There was something else that I got, and let me see. Oh, that's weird. I don't remember there being two things. I wonder if, oh, you know what it is? It's so funny, because I asked my husband, I was like, hey, you want anything from the sale? And then he ended up getting the same thing that I got, but his got monogram. So this one's his. We got 2 pouches. So these were on super sale also. And I thought, this is a really nice size pouch, because usually pouches, even the large, they're not like laptop worthy, but I think in theory this is. It's not marketed as a laptop pouch, but the dimensions it should fit. So anyways, super nice packaging. You know, I'm all about the packaging, right? If it looks good on the outside, I feel like it speaks to the quality on the inside. So really nice packaging. And then look how cute. They didn't put it in a drawstring pouch, but it's like in this little like, almost like an envelope pouch. Like, it's so cute. So it fits like a pillowcase. And this is the one that I got, which is not, for the record, this is not monogrammed. My husband's so fancy. Anyway, so look at it. I wanted it because I was thinking, you know, I'm not a matchy-matchy person, like those people that are like hair and nails and makeup. I look at you and I'm like, I think that's incredible, but I'm not that person. And so I don't have matchy-matchy. Like, my wallet never matches my purse, and I think that's fine. And I've never been like organized enough to be like, oh, I'm going to switch out to this wallet, whatever. No, I just have whatever wallet I have. But for once, I was like, well, this thing went on super sale, and it's really large. And I was like, I'm going to get it. And for the first time in my life, be a little matchy-matchy, because it's supposed to be the same color. And it is. So it's called dark tobacco, but again, I'm going to qualify it as saying, like, if you ask me, I think it looks like brown. Not a problem. I like this color, but just a heads up. So it's suede on the one side, and then it's leather on the back, which I kind of like, because I feel like it's big for a clutch, but whatever. If you're going to go for a clutch, I prefer the side touching you is always leather. Monster heavy duty zipper. I don't know if this is YKK because it's Filson branded, but my suspicion is maybe it is YKK, and then they put their own name over that, because it's pretty nice. Pretty standard inside, as you might expect. Leather on one side, suede on the other. It's just the back side. It's unlined. No pockets or anything, but opens to a generous size. And I will try and put my laptop in there. I mean, I'm sure it'd fit something small, like Surface Dish or something. But I will let you know, and I will try both of these out. Let me do this just for color comparison's sake. You can see if it like matches. Pretty close. Like, this is maybe a little paler brown. But anyways, I'm excited. So this is from Filson. This is the Filson Suede Hobo. If you watch this timely, today is the 5th. I believe these are still on sale. So go and get these if you like them. If you have any questions you want me to address, in the full review. Let me know if you have any questions about the satchel, which I still owe you a review on. Let me know. If you can tell me what the heck this coffee is from Seattle, also let me know so that when I'm in there next for work, I can poke my head in. Because all I remember is that they were so kind and they gave me a coffee mug to go, and I really, really like their coffee. So that's it. Cheers from California. Hope to be in Seattle again soon. And I hope 2020 is treating you well. Happy New Year.